Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook page. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Facebook, click on your profile icon on the top right, and click on the little arrow again on the top right. Once you're on here, just select the Facebook page that you want to delete. Then click on the profile icon again on the top right. Once you're on here, you should see a settings cog on the top right hand side. But if you don't, you can scroll down and go to settings and privacy and select settings. And you just need to scroll down until you see access and control. So you want to click on that. Then it'll come up deactivate and deletion. So you want to select that. Then you want to select delete page and select continue. Then just select continue again. And you can just read through all this information if you want to do so. And then select continue if you're happy with all of that. Then all it will do is ask you to enter a password. Then once you've done that, select continue. And then I'll just let you know, when you delete your Facebook page, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that your page has shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So just select continue. Then it'll give you some more information. It'll just let you know you can reactivate within 30 days by logging in with your account. So if you're happy with all that, just select delete page. And that will delete your Facebook page. Thanks for watching.